Oopsie.
It's okay.
I help me put this in.
It's okay. Let's just dump it out and see what's in there.
Okay. No, it's anything. Hey, what do? No. Yeah! Oh.
What is that?
There's an umbrella. There's an umbrella for me.
What color is it?
The rainbow.
Rainbow.
For me.
For you.
Yeah, for me. For me? Oh, this for me. I did it.
Do you need help?
No, I can help by myself. Oh, I just did it, Mama. Because I did it. Maybe I'll do this.
Push it up.
For me? Oh, it's for me? Yes!
Do you like your new umbrella?